What's up everyone, and yes, welcome back to my channel. So pwede ba ako mag-Tagalog? Okay, so yeah. So since I already made in here in USA, right? So yeah. So dito sa cycling channel ko ay gumagawa din po ako ng mga iba't ibang mga cycling vlogs, okay? So hindi lang sa bisikleta ang pinaprioritize ko. So magiging sa mga cycling accessories, cycling tech, right? So since this channel is also dedicated to the cycling community, right? So yeah. And also to the cycling communities in the Philippines. So stay safe pa rin kayo dyan mga kasiklista, right? So eto po, naglilingkod po sa inyo. Keep on cycling channel. So and also the tech cyclist channel also, right? And for today's video is also I will make a video for today. And this one sorry, okay. So this one right here is also cycling gadget, right? So if you really wanted to have this, so actually available na rin ang Temu dyan sa Pilipinas, right? So pwede kayong bumili sa Temu kahit ano, mga cycling products, mga cycling gadgets, mga cycling shirts, cycling apparels, right? So mga iba't iba pa mga cycling products, right? So nagbebenta rin kasi sila ng mga shifters, mga gears, mga pedals, mga handlebars, mga bisikleta. Nagbebenta din sila ng mga bisikleta, right? So sa Temu, since Temu is a China, right? So yeah, so no hate, just talaga. So right, so for this video is I will make this video for this as a pocket camera, right? So and also maliit siya at saka ginawa ko na rin to, gumawa din ako ng video nito doon sa isa ko pang channel, right? So since credited na yun at saka merging na rin yung mga vlogs ko, kaya ayun, pinaano ko talaga siya sa cross uploading, cross uploading. Yeah. So etong pocket camera na ito ay siya, so maliit siya. So, para siyang knock off ng DJI Pocket, right? Osmo. And also the other one, I think is a 360. I don't know what this one. Okay. This one right here is also this one is a 4K camera. So, it's also, yeah, there's a memory card on this one. So I already put a memory card since matagal na rin ko. Ngayon ko lang ito nagawa ng video dito sa cycling channel. So if you want to check the unboxing and review for this one, so punta po kayo sa ibang kong channel. Punta po kayo sa ibang kong channel para makita nyo. At saka i-subscribe nyo rin yun, right? Okay, so yeah, maganda. And it also already a USB-C, right? So I'm gonna have to turn on the another angle of the camera para makita nyo rin yung point of view ng pocket camera na ito. Alright, okay? This is the pocket camera, right? So as you can see clearly, so you can swivel it up like that one. Yeah, you can swivel it up. So and then and then you can if you want to, yeah, see yourself right over here. I'm gonna have to turn it on again. So you can swivel it up and then just like that. Yeah, perfect. And it's also a really good one. So I'm gonna make one for this one, right? I'm gonna make a B-roll for this one. So yeah, perfect. And also you can this is not just only for video. This is just only for video. And also this is good for capturing pictures, right? So this one right here is the front camera. So as you can see my face right over there, right? Yeah, as you can see my face. Yeah. Okay. And then you just have to swivel it up, and then there you go. So you can see my tripod, and then also, yeah, you can see some, like that one, and then also you can see that one. So you can see that this one right over here is my shutter for my recording, right? Yeah, as you can see, this is a really good pocket camera. So for the people that are so shy, people are shy, or vloggers are shy to be to be caught by other people recording themselves, including me. All right, so yeah, including me. So yeah, here it goes. Na this is a really good one. So let's go gonna take a quick sample of the video. Okay.
As you can see, everyone, so this is the view of the camera of the pocket camera, right? That I have been put in my hat right now. Okay, so this is the view that you see. So while I am walking with the dog. Okay, so here it goes. So hope that I'm hoping and expecting that the camera is good for also good, which is also it is good for vlogging, right? So okay, he's not done sniffing. Okay, so okay, here, okay, let's go. So okay, so let's go gonna continue. Okay, let's go gonna continue making a video outside, since the so this is the another angle of the video. So this is the, you know, so this is the this is the hand angle, so which I just only right. So and then, so as you can see, so this is the right where I just using my hand, and then which I can also adjust the rotation of the camera. So let's go gonna have to check it out. Okay, so gonna have to try that one also. So I am holding the while I am holding the camera, right? So this is just like a pocket DJI.
So okay, so ito pala siya. So mga nakikita nyo ba yan? Kita nyo sa diba? So nakita nyo po yung sarili nyo dyan. Okay, nakita. So kapag ginanon ko siya, ginanon ko siya, yun, baliktad siya. Okay, baliktad talaga siya. So ayun, kailangan ko pa talaga siya anong ganun para makita siya. So ayun, so kung nakikita nyo po yan, so yan, baliktad po siya talaga siya, right? So yeah. Okay, ano ba yan? Okay, ito. Yeah, baliktad siya, di ba? So, baliktad po yung camera, right? So, kapag in-flip ko siya, so, I will find a way for that one. So, if I can make that one. So, yeah, there you go. So, yeah, baliktad talaga. Ayun o, okay. Okay na rin siya. So, kapag ganun siya, okay siya, nakikita siya. Kapag hindi siya baliktad, hindi po siya baliktad, right? So, kita niyo pa yan. So, walang daya, right? Walang daya, walang cheat code, okay? Yan po siya. Yun, kita niya po yung sarili ko dyan, right? So, since against talaga sa hindi na, close naman yata yung bintana So, blinder, close naman yung blinder. So, yun siya. Kita niya po yan. So, okay, di ba? Maganda siya. So, 4K po yung kalabasan nito. 4K po yung kalabasan. So, meron po akong clip doon sa iba kong videos, sa iba kong channel. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yon, right? So, yes, also, ang tanong, okay, so, ayos ba ito? Camera na ito para sa cycling? Well, okay, para sa akin, okay na rin, right? So, yeah. So, meron akong mga clip, ilalagay ko dito while editing the video, right? So, since yung mga videos ko ay napakasimple lang talaga na ma-edit ko So, konting cut, ayos na. So, lagay na rin, di ba? So, yun lang po yun. So, hindi po ako katulad ng ibang mga vloggers na professional sa pag-edit video. Right? So, yeah, cut, yun lang, di ba? So sa akin isang cut, okay na. Okay. Yun po yung kaibahan dito sa channel ko kasi nga, napaka-humble ko kasi. So, hindi naman sa maipagmamayabang, right? Because I really tried my best talaga gumawa ng content dito sa channel ko. So since talaga 2019 ako nag-umpisa mag-vlog, okay? So since 2019 ako nag-umpisa mag-vlog, so 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 6 years na akong 6 years na itong channel ko, at saka wala pa ring update, right? So wala pa ring update para ma-monetize po ako. So kung gusto niyo po akong tulungan diyan sa mga sa ating mga ka-Filipino citizen diyan na mga nag-subscribe po sa akin, pwede po kayong tumulong. So okay, pwede po kayong tumulong sa channel ko. Suportahan niyo po ako na pag-subscribe sa channel ko para ma-monetize, at saka para na rin po ma-motivate po ako gumawa ng mga vlog, para ma-motivate po ako gumawa ng mga vlogs po dito sa channel ko, since wala pa ako ng trabaho. So yeah, I needed your support, right? So kung gusto niyo po ako supportahan niyo po ako sa pag-vlog. So wala pong join na nakalagay diyan sa so I'm not after for your donation, right? So all I want is your subscription to make me motivated to make me motivate na gumawa pa ng mga videos po dito sa akin channel. Right? So yun lang po yung gusto ko. So I don't want to accept any money. So I don't want to accept any money from donations or from Patreon, right? So yeah, and for joining. So all I want is your support lang talaga. So yeah, all I want is your support. Yeah. So para ma-monetize ako, at saka talaga para makapaghanap din ako ng sarili kong pamamahay dito, para makapag ako dito na to live alone, right? So since I've been decided also to transfer to another state. I've been decided to transfer to another place, right? So since high opportunity for work. So yeah, I decided to go there. So yeah, since someone's offering me a job over there, so yeah, why not, right? So I will go there, and it's also gonna have to get out of this place, okay? So yeah, to get out of this house, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna make a new life over there. So okay, so yeah, medyo mataas na yung sentimento ko dito sa channel ko. So okay, so right, so salamat nga pala sa papanood nyo dito, right? So and then also one thing, okay, balik po tayo sa product na ito. So maganda po pa ito, parang cycling. So para sa akin maganda siya. So since it's packetable, and also ilalagay ko dito yung mga cut off na mga clips na galing po sa iba kong video sa channel. Okay? Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Sana po masaya po kayo sa Pilipinas, at saka makapag-bike po kayo araw-araw. Lalo na po sa ating mga kasiklista dyan ng mga bike to work. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan. So kung kayo po nanonood dito sa channel ko, supportahan niyo po ako. So no need to donate anything. Support lang po para ma-motivate po ako sa paggawa ng mga vlogs po dito sa aking channel ko. Thank you so much. Thank you po sa kay Butora po ng aking puso. Salamat po sa inyo. Okay, so maliit na bagay lang po ito. So every subscribe counts, okay? Every subscribe counts po dito sa aking channel. So yun lang po yung talaga yung gusto ko, subscription na po ninyo, okay? Para ma-motivate po ako sa paggawa ng mga vlogs po dito sa aking channel. So thank you, and see you again on the next one.